Let's see if the servo motor is still here. Yep, motor is still there. So I think let's go and remove the exhaust now. Let's install the exhaust. Hopefully we'll get away without removing this. Let's remove this first. Let's try line this up. Hopefully we don't have to remove the rear set. That's in there. Now we have clearance here. Earlier we don't have. I think I'm happy. I'm happy. Now the body line is working well. Let's hook this up temporarily. So I think let's tighten the clamp first. So instead of this dangling here, let's rotate it. So I still have to investigate where the O2 line goes, because it's supposed to be here, but it's not there. I don't know what they did, so we need further investigation. But our goal now is just to mount the exhaust. We'll deal with it next time. Yes, I need to install the brakes on the ZX14 as well today. Let's mount this part. We might as well change this ugly bolt. Something else. I'm sure I have one. Just making sure we can get a bigger one. Length. Can get a shorter one. I found this. I think this will look way better. It is longer, so we might have to cut it. But it's all about the detail. It's nice. So we are going to cut. If you are going to cut a bolt, make sure to put a knot so that knot can fix the thread after you cut it. bit of lube. Okay, now you have a good tread. So you will not struggle getting the nut in. Okay, that's not going anywhere. In my opinion, it actually looks better. So my first two concerns was the servo and the original exhaust, the mounting point. So mounting point is good, the servo is here, but I should have not worried about the servo, because we're just gonna mount it like this. It will still be the same as the slip-on. We really don't care if this flap closes. So I think we'll just zip tie this at the same time, zip tie the O2 sensor connector and forget about it. So let's do a sound check. I think I like it. So if we close the servo, so that's how much difference the exhaust sound with this servo closing and opening. So let's keep it. So just leave it here, like nothing happened. Yep. Pretend that we weren't thinking about it earlier. Okay. Out of sight, out of mind.